So let's start by kind of defining what adhesion is, or what an adhesive bond is, right? So an adhesive bond, or a coating on a surface, or an ink, a printed food packaging, for example, we can think of these all as structures that include a load-bearing interface, right? And what does that mean? What that means is it's got an interface between two materials that's expected to transmit some stress, to withstand some stress. What this means is that process control, when we're preparing, when we're cleaning, when we're surface treating, process control is critical. And it has to be quantitatively sensitive. Whatever your process control is, it's got to be quantitatively sensitive to a single molecular layer. Because if it's not, changes can happen to that surface that screw up your adhesion, and you won't know it. You won't be controlling it. Measurements that are sensitive to surface energy can form the basis of very useful control sensor systems that allow us to quantitatively control a bonding process, a printing process, a coating process, and make sure that we get the same results time after time after time. Looking at this behavior on a high level, this is how basically the way that our techniques for probing surfaces we're going to look at the way a liquid interacts with the surface. We're going to predict how strong an adhesive is going to stick to it, or how well an ink or paint is going to stick to it.